In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Shopify store's appearance by focusing on a few key areas that can make a big difference. Whether you're a seasoned Shopify user or just getting started, these steps can help you tweak the look and feel of your digital storefront. First, let's head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page. From here, we'll begin the process of customizing your online store. Click on Online Store from the menu on the left. This section is where you have control over the design and functionality of your store. Now, direct your attention to the Themes section. You should see a button that says Customize next to your current theme. Give that a click. This is where all the visual magic happens. In the theme editor, you'll be able to make adjustments to your store's layout to better fit your brand style. Once you're in the theme editor, locate the gear icon, usually found towards the top right of the screen. Clicking on this icon will give you access to additional settings where you can fine-tune your store's appearance. Next, let's personalize your site by focusing on the branding elements. Click on Logo. This is where you'll upload your logo, ensuring your brand is front and center. You probably already have a logo ready to go, but if not, remember that it should be high quality and ideally in a PNG format with a transparent background for the best results. After uploading your logo, we can adjust the size by clicking on Width. This allows you to customize how big or small your logo appears on the site. Adjust it according to your preference, or just make sure it's visible but not overpowering other important elements on your page. Finally, we're going to tackle the favicon. A favicon is a small icon associated with your website, and it's what appears in the Browser tab next to your page title. To set this up, click on Favicon in your theme settings. Uploading a favicon enhances your store's professional appearance and makes it easily recognizable when customers have multiple tabs open. Remember, these customizations are vital for creating a coherent and appealing online store that aligns with your brand identity. By taking these steps, your store will not only look more polished, but will also provide a better visual experience for your customers. Thanks for following along today, and happy customizing with Shopify!